welcome back to my channel Hugs and Giggles. So today I'll be sharing two quick and easy recipes for Play-Doh and colored rice. Both are edible and can be used in all kinds of play. So let's get started. For Play-Doh you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. You can also use lemon instead of this. 1 tablespoon of oil and a pinch of a food color to be added in hot boiling water. Take a bowl and add all the dry ingredients, that is maida, salt and cream of tartar. Now cream of tartar is easily available online on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box below. You can also replace this with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, but you need to refrigerate it and the shelf life will be short. Next we will add oil and mix it again. Now add hot boiling water mixed with food color into the bowl. Now mix everything well and knead it like a dough. But here you can see the mixture is looking watery, so we need to add more flour into it. Now this is the right consistency that is required to make the Play-Doh. Just mix everything well and remove all the excess from the whisker. And after kneading, you will get something like this. You can also place it onto the flat surface to give it a good mix and roll. So now you can see our Play-Doh is ready and it is super soft and it is much better than the market ones. Just look at the texture. It is just perfect. Once it is fully cooled, you can wrap it in a clear plastic wrap, Ziploc bag or store it in an airtight container. Now this recipe is again very simple. Take a Ziploc bag and pour 1 cup of rice into it. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and few drops of food color. Don't add too much in one go. Now shake very well until all the rice grains are colored. So I was not satisfied with this orange color, so I added few more drops of the food color into it. Again shake them very well until all the rice grains are colored. Now our colored rice are ready. Just look how beautiful the color has turned out on the rice. But as they are wet, so we need to dry them first. And for that, just lay out the rice on butter paper and it should be dry in around 1 hour. So I hope you like these simple and quick recipes of Play-Doh and colored rice. Do try them out and let me know in the comment section below. If you have any query, you can also reach us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.